You know, if I had $1,000 in 2025, 2026, this is what I would do. Spoiler alert, it's not crypto, it's not flipping houses, and it's definitely not chasing meme stocks. I've spent the last 10 years studying the world's greatest investors, trying to find that competitive edge. And it all boils down to this. If I had $1,000 in 2025, 2026, I would find a great business to invest in. Now, this might sound boring compared to all the get-rich-quick schemes out there, but that's exactly why it works. You see, Warren Buffett built an $100 plus billion fortune by following one simple principle: buy great businesses at fair prices and hold them forever. It doesn't matter whether you have $1,000 or $1 million, the principle remains the same. First things first, I wouldn't chase trends. Everyone loves a good story, and there's no shortage of investment fads to hop on. But Warren Buffett has always avoided chasing trends. Instead, he sticks to what he knows. With $1,000, I'd do the same. I'd pick one or two industries that I know well, maybe consumer goods, insurance, or financial services. Then I'd spend hours studying the market, reading annual reports, and talking to experts. Next, I'd look for a business that's priced fairly. This means it's trading at a price that's in line with its actual value. Now, value isn't always obvious. Sometimes you need to dig deep into a company's financials to really understand it. But it's worth the effort because buying low is key to making big profits. Imagine buying Apple when it was only $1 a share or Google when it was $18. That's what we're looking for. But here's the secret sauce. Hold it forever. Once I found a great business that's priced fairly, I wouldn't sell ever. Even if the stock price drops, I'll hold on tight. Why? Because I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. And that means I'm in it for the long haul. This takes discipline, patience, and a lot of but that's how Warren Buffett became one of the most successful investors of all time. Now, some people might say that this approach is too simple or boring, but that's exactly what makes it so powerful. You see, investing shouldn't be about get-rich-quick schemes or chasing the latest trend. It should be about finding great businesses and supporting them for the long term. It's not sexy, but it works. Just think about it! If you had invested $1,000 in Apple 20 years ago, you would have made more than $1 million. That's the power of buying low and holding. But it's not just about making money. It's also about supporting businesses that you believe in. When you buy stock in a company, you become a part owner in that business. So you want to make sure that you're reinvesting in companies that are doing good in the world? Take Berkshire Hathaway, for example, Warren Buffett's company. They own a wide range of businesses, from insurance companies to consumer goods companies to railroad companies, and each of these businesses is doing something valuable for society. The same goes for Apple, Google, and other companies that I would invest in. They're not just making money for shareholders, they're also providing products and services that people need and love. So if you're thinking about investing, don't fall for the hype. Don't chase the latest trend. Instead, take a step back and think about what you believe in. What kind of businesses do you want to support? What kind of impact do you want to make in the world? When you find those businesses and invest in them for the long term, you can make a real difference. And who knows, you might even make $1 million or $2 million in the process. I hope this helps. Remember, if I had $1,000, I would buy a great business and hold it forever. It's a simple strategy, but it works. Thank you for watching. Until next time.